Hello everybody, I'm EthanB0206 and welcome to frickin' old Scratch projects. But those aren't mine. These are the fans'. I think I might have seen them before, but it's been like 2 years since I've been on Scratch, since the Google myself video. Okay, this one's called Add a Beat to Ethan B. Ooh. Oh, okay, it went a little off for a minute. That was not that bad. Okay, this one's my intro. Oh my god. Silly boy 93. Are you for real? Oh my god. People just wanting to use my intro to replace mine with theirs. Yeah, whatever. Next up, we got I Drew Me. Or you drew me, but it's literally just totally legit drawn. Beyond me, apparently. Okay, this one is a racing game. Oh god, well, since I don't have the... Hey, hold up a second. Do I have my keyboard? Where's my Bluetooth keyboard? Okay, now I can go forward. Oh my god. Now, what is this, like the disc stuff? You know, like the disc screensaver? You're not even on the track. Get back in the race, you doubles. Creepypasta. Holly frickin' Luya, I'm a frickin' minion. Okay, somebody has made a video game about me, but let's just see how it really is. Oh my god. I can't even, like, jump. Oh my god. This looks so weird. The jumping is so off, like, it literally, like, when you press up, it just takes you, like, legitimately up. He doesn't even, like, jump, he just... Whenever you duck, look at the... Oh my god. Oh, that's so creepy. That's the way I duck. .exe. Oh, no way. I actually realized they updated the thing. Like, they updated the sound. Like, look. He literally just, like, added echoes to that one. Devil Terror Super... Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Jesus. Well, okay then. I'm pretty mad. Devil Terror. Me. Okay, that's just pure red of me. EthanB0206's Gem Quest. Dear me, help us now. Gem is missing. Go to the house first to ask that person for help. Sincerely, insert name here. I don't know who sent it first. Wow, it's an actual sprite of me. That's pretty neat. Oh, hello. What do we got? Oh, how about checking the cave? Nah. That's all I just say. Okay, what do you got? Can I, like... Hello? Hello? Can you talk to me? I'm just stepping on you. Don't mind me just stepping on you. Now, just to be clear with y'all, I'm not a big fan of, like, you know, what do you call it, RPG games. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, I don't really like RPG games. They're not my kind of game. But you gotta need to be rich. Okay, it's not in the cave, so the last one should be in the tree. Ooh, there it is. With this gem, I would be frickin' rich! Alright, it's all done. I found a gem. I can go home now. Launch my face. Oh god. I think I might have Oh my god, no way. So you gotta avoid the lightning bolts. Okay. Alright. So, frick you. Frick. Oh my god, I can't even do anything. Oh. Just, I could just do this. The bolts don't, the bolts don't even know. Come on, let me get through. I wanna see how much I actually can get through. I think this one has to be the best game so far. Anyone who makes a Scratch game about me, then I'm very happy to make another video series of this. If y'all want me to. Come on. Oh my god, go up. Down. 9, okay. Okay, so the score is right there, so. Ah, frick, come on. No. No, my face must avoid these lightning bolts, and I do not appreciate them zapping me to death. Alright, 10. 11. Oh my god, no way. Let me go up, yeah. Boing. Yeah, frick you. Oh no, I could have made it. Probably the lightning bolts know better, but you know, whatever. Oh god, this is very complicated. Like, oh my god, I can't even go. Oh, 14, nice. Oh my god, no way. There's no way I'm gonna be able to beat this. Oh, no, 15, okay. 16, my god, I'm pretty dang good at that. 17! Oh no. Oh no. Oh, actual no. Oh, frick, actual no. Oh no. I can't even go. Oh, frick you. Alright, yeah, I'm done with that one. That was pretty fun, I like that. My time machine ranking list. Alright. Oh, level. Awesome. Broadcast arts. Great. I'm apparently great. Alright, good. Defers. I don't even know these. But whatever. I don't know what that is. ATV. Oh, I've heard this music before. Yeah.
Warning. This disc is for use with the Sega CD system only.
Oh my god, I don't even know. Bad. What the heck? I don't even know. That's a car company. Come on, man. Hanna-Barbera. What is this? Strand and Worst America. Thanks to the loud sounds. Okay. And last up is no requests for me. No, Cartman's upset. I never knew Cartman watched my videos. Oh my god! Alright guys, that is all the Scratch projects that I have found so far. So if y'all want me to check out more, or if y'all have Scratch, you can make whatever you want on me, and I'd be happy to play them. But if I missed anything that has not been tagged by me, or you know, at me, then I won't be able to play it if you don't type in my username or just, you know, EB0206. There you go. That's what y'all have to tag. Till next time, see you later, alligator. In a while's a Scratch style. Nah. See ya, guys. Yeah.